As you can see, we are going up to the mountains. Aku tak suka cakap English. Poyo.
Yesterday.
Alright, good morning. We've arrived at Nagano station. It's so cold and I didn't get enough good night's sleep because I was in the bus. And the snow is falling, yay, it's winter. Nagano station is one of famous place for ski and snowboarding. Japanese call them this kind of place Yukiguni, where it's the country of the snow. It's a regularly falling snow prefecture in Japan. So I am here to go to the ski resort to play snowboard with my friend. So I'll be catching up one more train to meet up with him in another station, which is called MYOKO, where the ski resort is located. So I'll see you there. Train, it's full of ice. Since we have a little bit of time here waiting for the train, I'll be heading to MYOKO. The ski resort is MYOKO SUGINOHARA. My friend Wafi is going to pick me up at MYOKO station, so he's driving from his place, Toyama, and we'll meet up there and we'll do some snowboarding today and tomorrow. So I'm pretty excited to do some video shooting and some vlogging, so we'll see how it goes.
What's up, John?
This is Wafi.
I don't want to speak in English.
The snow is like super heavy.
Sorato Usagi.
Soratobu Usagi is
Flying rabbit.
flying rabbit. No, in Japanese called it means flying rabbit. Last 3 years kana datang sini, which is the same place. Korang ni pun bimbo juga, nak murah.
Allah, complex.
Sini ni bro driving dalam keadaan snow sebab dia duduk dekat Hokkaido,
Oh, dah sampai dah.
which is snowing the whole year. Salam. Oh, lama artis dah. Sejuk. Dah pagi atas.
The next morning.
Okay, let's go.
Macam payah je.
We're inside the gondol now. And hari ni cuaca
Best!
hari ni cuaca baik gila. Today we will play I think better because the weather is very nice. So we thought we were the first, but dah ada orang lain dah dulu naik. Sepatutnya nak jadi yang pertama tapi tak dapat. Tak apa, kita akan naik yang paling puncak kan. Berapa kilometer?
Which one?
Flashback.
I don't want to speak in English. Which one?
The height of
highest
the
1,855. I think.
1,855.
There you go.
Okay, so it's a bit of a mess here. Ni nampak serabut-serabut dengan bag-bag semua ni. So we're almost there. Jadi kita sampai, nanti kita sambung lagi. We'll see how the view from up. Okay, we're here.
Kita lalu dulu Daisang. Tengok. Kalau tak buka lagi kita lalu pak.
So the topmost lift is not there. Oh, it's so hard to vlog here.
Oh, wasting our energy.
82 kilometers later.
Okay, ni lift yang nombor 3 Nombor 3 yang paling
Kau
tinggi.
suka lift tu?
Yang paling tinggi lah, boleh sampai number the highest point of this Mount MYOKO.
It's not Mount MYOKO, I think.
Oh, ya
It's
ke?
SUGINOHARA.
Okay, SUGINOHARA, sorry. So lift ni dia macam ada penutup sebab kalau Yuki.
Itulah Yuki. Yuki tu salji ya, kawan-kawan?
Kita kena ada cover kat sini kalau tak
Dia
memang
mengganggu.
So tengok sikit.
Kira ni cabut ni, cucuk kat power bank.
Yes.
That's what I'll do.
Dah sampai dekat atas sekali. We are in the puncak.
We're at the top of this mountain, okay?
Hey.
I don't want to speak in English.
Top of this mountain, okay? Guys.
Sini kot. Cerah sikit.
Yeah, this guy forget to record, so we need to.
Yeah, again, on top.
What did I say
it's,
just now?
1,855 meter from sea level.
Yeah.
A lot of skier and snowboarder. The lake just now, and I don't know what that is, but Fujisan is somewhere around there, but we cannot see it because of the clouds.
Here at 9:30 a.m. Okay?
9:30 a.m. Yeah.
Early bird today.
Yes. So, and most of the tracks belum are not being
touched yet.
So we're going to go with the powder today.
Ambil aku tepi. Tengah ketat kan? Bahaya dengan cabut. Pakai.
What you doing?
Binding. Alright, let's go.
Letih weh. It's a very beautiful view here. Jump. Let's go.
We got the wrong way. We have to walk. Tanya pakcik ni.
I'm lost. Yeah? I'm here.
Alright.
Up this road to the chair,
I'll pick it.
and that'll take you to the gondola.
Alright.
Thank you.
No worries.
This is the wrong route. Which is the.
Yeah.
That is good, isn't it? Hello, welcome. From
Hi.
Hi from Australia.
We are from Malaysia.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Welcome to Japan. But we're from Malaysia. Let's go, baby. So we are going to start our adventure.
Muka kau seorang je, Bong. Tak boleh je.
Alah, kau lucu lah macam ni kat aku ni. Ya Allah, kau ni jangan bahal.
Yang mana orang? Tak ada orang selfish gila.
Yeah. Yay, conquer. Woo. We have conquered this gondola for our own.
Alright. We managed to conquer the gondola, so we can do some photo shooting. So I'm doing the time lapse of this gondola moving. So I think we will play maybe 1 or 2 more rounds because the gondola will close at 4:30. The last gondola for us.
Yay, kita dapat conquer gondola ni seorang-seorang, dapat 2 orang geng.
I think this is one of the best snowboard trip that I've been since I first played in Japan because the weather today is very nice and we managed to get some very nice footage of us playing with the gimbal and with the DSLR, and I managed to get some very nice photos also because we were up very early today. Oh my god, that sound, so hard to talk.
Ni gondola ini kami telah kuasai. Dengan cara apa? Kalau korang nak 2 orang je naik, korang kena duduk dekat belah hujung ni, korang tutup. Lepas tu korang jangan buat muka dono je. Korang jangan pandang kiri kanan, korang pandang depan je. Buat tak tahu je. Nanti dia orang akan faham. Sebab orang Jepun ni dah diajari dengan Kuki Yomu. Apa panggil? Baca cuaca. Baca keadaan. So if you can see this my friend is recording the what? Aku tak suka cakap English. Poyo.